Hello everyone! Exciting news! The long-awaited One UI 6.1 update with Galaxy AI is finally here. Starting today, March 28, the update is rolling out to Samsung Galaxy S23 series, including FE, the foldable powerhouses Z Flip 5 and Z Fold 5 and the powerful Galaxy Tab S9 series. Some lucky users in some markets already have it. Remember, One UI 6.1 debuted on the Galaxy S24 series back in January. Now, US Verizon users can grab it fast with unlocked units and other carriers in the US and the worldwide following soon. The S23 device on my hand is yet to receive the update. Be aware, this update packs a punch. One UI 6.1 OS in at a hefty 3 GB, the same size as Android 14 and One UI 6.0 combined. That's a whole gigabyte bigger than the previous update. Why the hefty size? Obviously, Galaxy AI. This advanced on device and cloud based AI is the star of the show. But there is a catch. Currently, only the Galaxy S23 series, S23 FE, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and the Tab S9 series get the full Galaxy AI experience. Samsung might bring it to older flagships eventually, but that's uncertain for now. Ready to see if One UI 6.1 with Galaxy AI is available for you? Head to Settings, then Software Update, and then tab Download and Install. The rollout might take some time depending on your region, so be patient and keep checking. But server overload alert. Since the update just launched, Samsung servers might get overloaded due to high user traffic. Don't panic if you see a network or server error when checking. Just wait a while and try again soon. Stay tuned for more details on the exciting features of One UI 6.1 with Galaxy AI. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos and tech update.